Hi guys, Jeff with Slavens Racing. This video is about how to install a seat on late model KTMs. They came out with this new mounting design in 2019 on the cross country and motocross models, and then all the models got this new mounting system from 20 on up. And I know it seems kind of ridiculous to be making a video about how to install a seat, but a lot of guys struggle with this. You know, not everybody's an experienced mechanic, and so anyhow, here's what the mounting system looks like. It's got this slot here, a slot here, and then the corresponding mounts on the tank. In the past, there was like 2 prongs back here that slipped underneath the gas tank. That was an easier system to install. But this one's not too bad with the stock seat because the stock seat base is pretty flexible. But some of the aftermarket seats, the seat concepts, the Cherokee, some of those are definitely more difficult to install. So that's why I thought I should do this. So I just kind of get the front one lined up, and then I push, the other one is about right in here. I push in that area. I kind of lift up on the back of the seat just a little bit, and it's on. I know that it's on because it's flexing right here, right past that mount. If it's not on all the way, here's how you check it. And if it's just on the front one, you know, it lifts right up. So that's what it's supposed to be. Put the long seat bolt through here, and you're ready to ride. So hopefully I'll see you out on the trails. That's all for now.